Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to customize your profile on the MyFitnessPal application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the More button down below, which is the last option, and after that scroll down till you find the settings section and click on it. Then you should tap on the first option, profile. Here you can select your username. Your profile photo can be set, such as your height, your sex, your date of birth, location, postal code, the time zone. Your email address and your units of measurement can be chosen as well. Here you can see that there is a bunch of categories that you can choose from, and also your goals that you can adjust, such as your starting, current and goal weight, your weekly goal, nutrition goals and fitness goals. So if you are done with adding all these details and customizing your account, just simply tap on this arrow in the upper left corner of the screen and everything will be updated and changed automatically. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.